the number of ways in which two young men, one old and one lady, can sit for a trip in a front seat, a 4-seat car. So provided 2 seats in the front and 2 seats in the back, so that the old man always sits in the back seat. It is given that the 2 young men only can drive the car. Is how many ways you can arrange them? Okay, so what is the condition here? This is the driver seat, nana. This is front seat. These 2 are 2 back seats. Okay, I can front seat and driver seat and 2 back seats. Now we want accommodate. We have 4 persons actually. Without any condition, you can accommodate 4 factorial ways, but some conditions are given. Under that condition, we want accommodate. So 2 young, 1 old, 1 lady. So totally 4 persons are there. So what is the condition? Only young person can drive the car. One thing, old person can sit in backside only. Under the 2 condition, we want accommodate. You want find number of arrangements. First of all, I want select 1 from 2 to drive the car. I want select this 1 from these 2 young to drive the car. Okay, so to drive the car, we need to select one from 2 young men. How many ways, nana? 2C1 ways. 1 operation completed. Driver seat is filled. Okay, so old person wants it in back seat only. So allow the old person to sit in back seat, but which back seat is not yet confirmed. Just allow them to sit in back. Okay, now 1 front seat is filled and 1 back seat is filled. Now we have 2 seats to fill. 1 is back and 1 is front. First of all, I want fill the front seat. Now I have 2 persons, 1 young person and 1 lady are there to fill front seat. Okay, to fill front seat, we have 2 persons. 2 persons. In bracket, 1 young and 1 lady. Okay, to fill front seat, we have 2 persons. Okay, we can accommodate. We can choose any one from 2, from those 2. This happens 2C1 ways. Okay, now what happened? Just selection is completed. Now selection completed. Now the front seats can't interchange. These 2 persons can't interchange their places. Okay, these 2 persons can interchange their places in. Okay, because the condition is only young person can drive the car. That's why back seats themselves can interchange 2 factorial ways. Okay, I will write back seat places can interchange in 2 factorial ways. Okay, now I want to write the conclusion. Number of ways, total number of ways, total number of arrangements I can write simply. Okay, total number of arrangements equal to 2C1 into 2C1 into 2 factorial. So that is equal 2 into 2 into 2 that is equal to 8 ways. So we can accommodate in 8 ways. I hope you people understood. Okay students, now I will show you practically how they can observe here. So this O stand for driver seat none here. Students listen. So young persons are taken as Y1 and Y2. Lady means L only, old person old. First of all, Y1 can drive the car in 4 ways. Okay, old person can sit here or here or here or here. Now we have lady and Y2. Here Y2 means I can accommodate for lady here or lady here and Y2 here. Or here lady, here Y2, here Y2, here lady. 4 possibilities completed. Now Y2 can drive the car. Y2 can drive the car in 4 ways. Old person here can sit here or here or here. Now we have Y1 and lady. Y1 and lady. Okay, Y1 and lady. So these are the possible 8 ways so that they can sit and they can travel. Okay, I hope you people understood.